The Congress unwilling to relent on stalling Parliament despite repeated attempts by government to reach out. For the second straight day, the largest opposition party protested in the Parliament complex against the suspension of its 25 MPs over unruly conduct. Wednesday saw it roping in other opposition parties to support its agitation.
हम प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, हम विरोध कर रहे हैं, हमारी प्रोटेस्ट जारी है। जब से ये सदर शुरू हुआ है, हम तो उसी प्रोटेस्ट के कारण बाहर निकाले गए, जो मैं समझती हूँ बिल्कुल अनडेमोक्रेटिक है।
Even in the House, the Congress did not let Rajya Sabha function, its members repeatedly storming the well, shouting slogans. The upper house barely met for a few minutes as adjournment after adjournment was forced. The chair calling it a day minutes after 2 p.m.
राज्यसभा में तो सभी विपक्ष के लोग थे, अपनी बात वो रख रहे थे कि जो निलंबन है वो गलत है, उसको वापस लेना चाहिए।
The Congress boycotted proceedings in the Lok Sabha, while SP, NCP and other opposition party members demanded revocation of the suspension of 25 Congress MPs and staged a walkout. Proceedings were smooth thereafter. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu has once again appealed to all parties to cooperate in running of the houses.
I only appeal to all opposition parties, please come back to Parliament, raise issues, discuss. The government have already made its position very clear. On each and every issue, government is ready to discuss. And if you have serious issues, you can give notice. And once they are admitted, the government will respond to them.
Speaker Sumitra Mahajan suspended 25 MPs on Monday for 5 days after 11 consecutive days of disruptions and repeated warnings against shouting slogans and throwing placards.
उन्हें सभापति को जाकर माफी मांगनी चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने संसद की गरिमा को ध्वस्त किया, क्योंकि कांग्रेस ने देश पार्लियामेंट का एक पूरा सत्र खत्म करने का बीड़ा उठाया, क्योंकि उनकी लोकतंत्र में कोई आस्था नहीं है।
Each wasted hour of Lok Sabha costs the exchequer 1 crore 50 lakh rupees. In Rajya Sabha's case, the figure is 1 crore 10 lakhs. But what is worse is that the constant rabble-rousing by the opposition has clouded prospects of the passage of several key legislations like the GST and the Land Acquisition Amendment bills, crucial for boosting India's economic growth and giving a better life to all citizens. With Parliament team, Newsnight Desk, DD News.